Hi guys, Cyrus here from Talking About Phones, and today we are not unboxing a phone, but we have this really cool gadget with us, so thought we'd unbox this instead. So what we have today is Harman Kardon's Onyx Mini Bluetooth speaker. Now, for those who don't know what a Harman Kardon is, these people make some awesome speakers, and they have speakers in televisions. They have huge speakers like for TVs, and they have for smaller speakers such as these. They are also so basically this speaker is the Onyx Mini. It has also received a Red Dot Award in 2016 for the best Bluetooth speaker in its category. So let's unbox it. First we'll see what the box holds. Okay, so here are some of the features. So of course this is the Bluetooth speaker. The battery time according to them is around 10 hours of playtime, which I think is more than enough for your normal needs. Otherwise normally you can just plug it in the power cord and just make it run. It also has a built-in mic as well, so you can also use it as a speakerphone. So for example, if you're doing some work and you want to talk to somebody, your phone is connected via Bluetooth to the speaker, and you can just talk via the Bluetooth speaker. Other than that, it comes with two 8-watt speakers, which and what you can see at the back here is that it has built-in woofer as well, which basically gives you basically improves the sound and the quality. Now let's just open the box. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay. I think it slides. Oh, okay, so it opens the phone here. There you go. Okay, so what we have here is, okay, wow. So we have the Bluetooth speaker over here. Let's put it on the side. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, it's your 3-pin adapter, built-in 2-pin adapter. This is your charging dock. Okay, and it also has a circular 2-pin adapter. So basically you get a multitude of different type of connectors, so for wherever you are and whatever is easier for you, you can obviously use that. Then of course we have some booklets over here, instruction guides. Anything else? I think that's about it. Let's put this on the side. So guys, this is the Harman Kardon speaker. Over here you can see that you have a multitude of different options. So your volume buttons over here, this is if you have to answer a call, and of course this is for syncing Bluetooth devices. So let's power it up. I hope this has battery life though. So guys, it seemed that the device did not have battery, so I charged it up first, and now I can show it to you. So let's power it up. So here you can hear the startup sound, sorry, and here you can see that these are the markings for the battery. So of course 5 means full, so I just charged it as much so that we can show you. Okay, now let's sync it with our device. Okay, let's search. Here you go, guys. That was easy. Now let's try some songs. Okay, let's listen to some heavy. Here you can see, guys, this is the bass, so you can actually see it move. So guys, you can tell that this small little speaker packs a very loud punch, and other than the bass, let's listen to a more soothing track.
Rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead.
So guys, we actually used two songs just to differentiate how this speaker can actually perform with very heavy drums and heavy guitars as compared to very strong vocals or more vocal specific. Okay, so other than that, here you because of the speaker and the mic built in, you can always use it as a speaker phone as well. Okay, so at the back of the device, you can find that here is the power port. Basically it's a mini USB charger, and it also supports auxiliary cable as well. So for example, if you don't want to connect it with a Bluetooth device and you want to connect it to, say, your laptop perhaps, and you want to increase your sound there, you can of course connect it via an aux cable as well. So guys, that was about it. This was the Onyx Mini by Harman Kardon. Hope you liked the video. If you did, then please hit the thumbs up button and do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye guys, take care.